Welcome! In this video, we are going to master one of the most loved features in Python, f-strings. They are modern, readable, and incredibly efficient for formatting text. Before f-strings, we had to deal with clumsy formatting methods. The percent operator often felt like writing C code, and the dot format method, while powerful, was very verbose and hard to read when dealing with many variables. Introduced in Python 3.6, f-strings changed the game. By simply adding the letter f before your quotes, you can embed variables directly inside the string using curly braces. It is clean, intuitive, and looks just like the output. But it is not just for variables. You can put valid Python expressions inside the braces. You can do math, manipulate strings, or run logical conditions right inside your text string. Formatting numbers is also a breeze. You can easily control decimal places, convert to percentages, or add comma separators for large numbers using a simple colon syntax inside the braces. Working with dates, you do not need to call strftime explicitly anymore. You can format date objects directly within the f-string using standard date format codes. Creating tables or aligning text is straightforward. You can use the less than, greater than, or caret symbols to align text to the left, right, or center, and even specify padding width. Here is my favorite feature. If you are debugging, just add an equal sign after your variable name inside the braces. Python will automatically print the variable's name and its value, saving you from typing it twice. And the best part? F-strings are fast. Because they are evaluated at runtime as part of the code rather than function calls, they perform significantly better than the older formatting methods. To wrap up, f-strings are the modern standard for Python string formatting. They are readable, fast, and powerful. If you are not using them yet, now is the time to start. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.